If you spend hours at your desk like me, you know the right gadgets can totally transform how you work. Today, I'm sharing the smartest workspace upgrades I've personally tested, from AI-powered tools to productivity hacks, that will save you time, energy, and even keep your desk looking clean. Let's dive in. Steve Jobs found the perfect use for that tiny jeans pocket with the iPod. Well, I found mine with the Claude Note Pen. It's an AI-powered voice recorder that's tiny, stylish, and surprisingly powerful. It syncs with your phone, creates transcripts, summaries, even mind maps, and now you can ask it follow-up questions. I use it to capture ideas on the go, and honestly, it feels like carrying a pocket-sized brainstorming partner. Next is a simple but game-changing upgrade, this outlet extender. From two outlets, I now get five plus USB-A and USB-C ports. It even has surge protection, which means my laptop and gadgets are safe from power spikes. No more crawling under the desk or fighting over plugs. For portable power, I tested two favorites. The Anker Nano 10,000 milliamp hours is amazing because it's a charger and a power bank. Plug it into the wall, and it charges your devices while charging itself. Perfect for travel. On the other hand, the Nightcore 10,000 milliamp hours wins for being insanely thin and lightweight. Carbon fiber plates, super sleek, and fits into any pocket. Depends if you want power or portability. If you love smart homes, this little battery base makes the Echo Dot completely portable. No wires, no wall outlet needed. I use it to move my Echo from room to room, whether it's music in the kitchen or starting the robot vacuum from the living room. I've tried fancy smart timers, but honestly, the simplest one works best. Set an hour, it beeps or flashes when time's up. It helps me stay focused and avoid distractions. Sometimes the old school approach is the real productivity hack. Running out of phone storage? This magnetic SSD snaps onto my phone and records video directly, skipping internal storage. Perfect for creators or anyone filming in 4K. Mine is 2 terabytes, but you can start at 500 gigabytes. Plus, it doubles as a regular SSD for your computer. Now, for heavy storage needs, I tried the TerraMaster F8 SSD NAS. Basically, it's a personal cloud server with up to 64 terabytes storage. I can access files worldwide, and video editors can even edit directly from it. The speed is incredible. But here's the catch. While the base is affordable, filling it with SSDs can run over $5,000. So it's more for professionals than casual backups. My setup upgrade wouldn't be complete without a new desk. The FlexiSpot E6 standing desk is big, stable, and finally tall enough for me at 6 feet 4. The bamboo top feels great compared to my old cold glass desk. Downsides? Assembly was a pain. Bring a drill. The matching chair, though, was a surprise. Adjustable armrests, lumbar support, decent cushion, and very affordable. Not perfect, but solid for the price. This one is a total game changer for anyone tired of juggling multiple chargers. I picked up a foldable wireless charger that powers my phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. One sleek device, no tangled cables. The best part? It even works with non-MagSafe cases, so you don't have to strip your phone every time you want to charge. Plus, you can set your phone in landscape mode, which is perfect for watching videos, gaming, or hopping on Zoom calls while it powers up. And when you're done, it folds flat, making it easy to pack for travel or just keep your desk clutter-free. One charger, 3 devices, 0 hassle. By the way, if you're enjoying these genius gadgets and want to see more tech that actually makes life easier, hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps the channel grow and keeps the content coming. And if you see something you like in today's lineup, I've left all the Amazon links right below for you to check out. Don't miss them, because these gadgets sell out fast. Thanks for your subscribe. Your support really means a lot, and we are truly grateful for every single one of you who helps this channel grow. Sometimes the simplest gadgets are the most effective. This timer keeps me focused by counting down tasks without distractions. Just flip it, set the time, and it starts running automatically. When time's up, it beeps or flashes depending on your settings. It's perfect for productivity sprints, study sessions, or even workouts. No complicated apps, no notifications, just a clear, visual reminder to stay on track. If you're tired of carrying bulky power banks, check out this Nightcore 10,000 milliamp hours. What I love most is how thin and lightweight it is. It literally slides into any pocket. The sleek carbon fiber finish gives it a premium look, and it's got both USB-C and USB-A ports, so you can charge multiple devices. Perfect for travel or just keeping your phone powered up all day without the extra weight. This is one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until you try it. My desk doesn't have built-in storage, so I added this monitor riser with a drawer. It instantly gave me more space for small items, and it even has a slot to hold my phone upright while charging. The riser also has adjustable height, which means I can position my monitor at a more comfortable viewing level. It's simple, affordable, and makes my setup feel a lot more organized. If you spend hours at your desk, your mouse can make or break your comfort. That's why I switched to the Logitech M575 ergonomic trackball mouse. Unlike a traditional mouse, you don't need to move it around. Instead, your thumb controls the trackball. That means less strain on your wrist, more precision in small spaces, and you can even use it on your lap. The battery lasts up to 2 years, and it connects via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver. I didn't think I'd like a trackball at first, but now I can't imagine working without it. Here's something a little different: a levitating plant pot. Yep, it literally floats in midair using magnets. Not only does it look futuristic, but it also slowly spins, making your desk feel more alive. It's great for small plants like succulents, and honestly, it's one of those things that just sparks conversation. Every time someone sees it, they ask how it works. For me, it's the perfect balance of tech and nature, and it definitely makes my workspace more inspiring. A simple upgrade that completely changed my desk is this cloth desk mat. It instantly makes the surface feel smoother, protects it from scratches, and gives you a consistent space for your keyboard and mouse. Plus, it just looks clean and organized. I love that it's washable, so if you spill coffee, it's no big deal. It may seem small, but trust me, once you start using a desk mat, you won't go back to a bare desk. This is one of the coolest desk gadgets I own, the Novium Hover Pen 2.0. Instead of lying flat, the pen literally floats at an angle inside its magnetic stand, almost like it's from the future. And when you give it a little spin, it just keeps rotating smoothly. It's not only functional as a premium metal pen, but it's also a conversation starter and a stress reliever. Whenever I'm stuck thinking, I just flick it and watch it hover. It's oddly satisfying. Okay, this one is pure fun. A fidget spinner shaped like Thor's hammer. It's surprisingly well built, made from solid metal, and has that satisfying spin that fidget spinners are known for. If you're a Marvel fan, it doubles as a collectible piece for your desk. And whenever I need a quick mental break, I just pick it up, spin it, and it's like my own mini stress relief tool disguised as superhero gear. Lighting can completely change how productive you feel, and that's why I use the Xiaomi Monitor Light Bar. It attaches right on top of your monitor, shining light down on your desk without creating screen glare. The coolest part is the wireless control knob. You can adjust brightness and color temperature with just a twist. So whether I'm working late at night or during the day, I always have perfect lighting without straining my eyes. The everlasting comfort footrest. If you sit for long hours like I do, this makes a huge difference. It's made of memory foam and gives your feet proper support so your legs don't get tired as quickly. You can also flip it over and use it as a rocker to keep your circulation going. It's one of those comfort upgrades that seems small, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. This tiny gadget might be one of the most useful things you didn't know you needed: the Otistar Mini Desktop Vacuum. It's basically a little handheld cleaner that sucks up dust, crumbs, and even eraser shavings right off your desk. I use it every few days, and it keeps my workspace spotless without dragging out a big vacuum. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and honestly, it makes cleaning kind of fun. And if you like discovering smart products that make life easier, hit that like and subscribe. That way, you'll always be the first to know about new gadgets before most people even hear about them. If you've ever wished you could capture every angle of a moment without worrying about missing the action, the Insta360 is built for you. This compact 360-degree camera lets you record everything around you in stunning detail. Then you can reframe your shots later, as if you had multiple cameras filming at once. Whether you're traveling, vlogging, or even just hanging out with friends, it turns ordinary clips into cinematic stories. And because it's lightweight and pocket-sized, you can take it anywhere without bulky gear. Add in built-in stabilization, and your footage always looks smooth, even if you're running, biking, or just chasing the perfect shot. Good chairs can make or break your workday, and the FlexiSpot chair really surprised me. It's got all the key adjustments, armrests that move up, down, and side to side, plus a seat that slides forward for a better fit. There's built-in lumbar support, and the cushion strikes a nice balance between firm and comfortable. The backrest reclines and locks, so you can lean back when you need a break. For the price, it's easily one of the best value chairs I've tried. This one's super simple but super useful. A headphone holder you can attach under your desk. It comes with adhesive if you want a quick setup, or you can screw it in for a sturdier hold. Once mounted, your headphones are always within reach without cluttering your desk. Small gadget, big difference in keeping things organized. If you've ever thought about starting a podcast, streaming, or just leveling up your Zoom calls, the Shure MV7 is a game changer. Inspired by the legendary SM7B, this desktop mic gives you studio-quality audio without the complicated setup. You can plug it in with USB or XLR, tweak settings right from the app, and even use the built-in voice isolation to cut out background noise. Whether you're creating content or just want to sound crystal clear online, this is the kind of upgrade that makes people go, "Whoa, that sounds professional." Sometimes the best gadget isn't about power or speed, it's about atmosphere. This candlelight gives you the warm, flickering glow of a real flame, but without the smoke, mess, or fire risk. It's rechargeable, portable, and creates the perfect vibe for relaxing, reading, or even setting the mood at dinner. Place it on your desk, nightstand, or living room, and instantly turn a plain space into something cozy and inviting. It's one of those simple upgrades that makes your whole environment feel more comfortable. Now, this one's for the watch lovers. A sleek watch box not only keeps your collection organized, but also protects your timepieces from dust and scratches. The glass top shows off your watches like they're on display, and the velvet lining makes it feel premium every time you open it. Whether you've got one everyday favorite or a growing collection, a proper watch box adds style to your desk or dresser and makes sure your watches stay in perfect shape. And that's it for today's roundup of genius gadgets that can upgrade your setup and lifestyle. If you saw something you liked, I've dropped all the links down in the description. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, you're going to love my next one where I cover the coolest Amazon gadgets you'll want in 2026. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you over there. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support.